Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back. We're gonna film our third vlog today. I have my friend Sloan Summers with me back.
Hi guys.
We're gonna go do some unique things in the Lambo. We're gonna take the Aventador. I know you guys said that you liked the car washing video. Well, most of you did. We're gonna go do a photo shoot today at a beautiful place in the Okanagan. I've never been there. Sloan has been there, so she is gonna show me where it is. And Waterfalls shoot, stay tuned for that. That's gonna be coming up. Also from that though, we're gonna post some pictures on our Instagram that Donovan takes today to
show you these beautiful locations.
Yeah, it'll be a good day.
It's gonna be fun. Let's go.
Should we go through a drive-through today?
Yeah, definitely.
Are you hungry?
I'm a little hungry, maybe thirsty.
What are you thinking?
I love Starbucks.
Starbucks again?
Maybe. What are you thinking?
It's like tacos maybe.
We get some tacos.
I like tacos. Before the photo shoot or after?
Remember, Ryan said no wet spots.
Oh yeah.
Taco juice.
Summers, in case you don't know. So we are getting hungry and we're just gonna go head over to Taco Time. I guess there is a petition going around because they want to close Taco Time down. Not happy about that because, you know, girls need their tacos.
And like there's not that many taco restaurants in Canada to choose from, so like why are you taking the only good one away?
Right?
You gotta keep it.
Yeah, you gotta keep it. Because we love our tacos.
About the curb?
I am a little worried. This is a narrow drive-through. Normally I'm not bad, but this is going to be a tight one.
Ryan, I'm concerned, man.
Alright, I'm just going to, before they go ahead and ask me to turn the car off, I'm going to do it first this time. I think a burrito would be the easiest to eat in here while I'm driving.
Probably.
Instead of a taco.
Yeah.
Don't want salsa everywhere. Have a salsa party.
Salsa. Fiesta.
Do you want a super beef, super chicken?
Maybe super chicken, yeah.
Just let me know whenever you're ready.
Yeah, no worries. Can I get one super beef burrito?
Okay, regular or large?
Oh, regular, I think.
Regular, sure, not a problem. Did you want any guacamole or bacon on it?
Yes to both guacamole and bacon.
Okay, sounds good for sure.
And then I'll get a super chicken burrito.
Okay.
Guacamole.
Do you want guac and broccoli? Sorry, I almost said broccoli.
No bacon, but
guacamole and
guacamole.
bacon on that one as well?
We're gonna get guacamole, but no bacon on that
Okay,
one.
not a problem for sure.
Oh, and then the Mexi fries.
Okay.
And
bottle of water?
I don't drink water. I hate it. But you want one?
Yeah.
Okay. And a water, please.
Doesn't drink water.
Yes, please.
Alrighty. Anything else?
I think that's everything. Yeah. No, I think that's good.
Okay, so all together we got the super beef and the super chicken, both of them with guacamole, the super beef with the bacon as well, and then a Mexican fries and a bottle of water.
Perfect.
Awesome. So it comes to $21.30 for you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Tacos! Did you know, fun fact, I used to live in Mexico. Yeah, I moved down there for a year and became a surf bum, and I ate tacos daily.
Isn't that where you got one of your puppies?
Yeah.
Did you guys eat hot sauce at all?
No hot sauce for me. Do you want hot sauce?
Sour cream.
Oh, sour cream?
Yeah, for sure. It's usually extra, but don't worry about it today, okay? We'll
Oh, oh, thank you.
you.
Free sour cream.
I'll be right back here, guys, okay?
Thank you. Yeah, I got one of my puppies in Mexico. His name is Chico Sanchez.
Chico Sanchez.
Yeah, he's from a puppy mill. And he's still with me. He's 16 and a half years old. I know, we have a herd of Chihuahuas. Like, Rye's got Peanut, who's 17 and a half. I've got Chico, that's 16 and a half. Rosie, we don't actually know how old she is. I'm gonna say like 7 to 9.
Yeah.
And then Coco comes over for visits, and she's a little pomchi.
I want to meet them all. I just want to play with all of them.
We're busy.
Oh, the puppies, yeah. Creating puppies.
Yeah.
The perfect puppies. Oh my god! Let's go and eat this. Check those bad boys out. Get in my mouth.
Sour cream. I love sour cream.
Love sour cream. Ooh, and now we're gonna go to Mills Creek. Super excited to take you guys there. It's just a nice hidden spot in Okanagan. You can find it behind our Kelowna airport, and there's just a scatter of waterfalls back there. Easy hiking, so yeah, it should be a good time.
Yeah, I've never been there, so I'm super excited to see it.
Woo! So let's go. Terrible.
Sorry, Rye, eating in the car again. Been off-roading in the Aventador more than a few times with Ryan. Usually it's because we go the wrong direction, but it happened a few times in the States. And there was, I think, like 20 Lambos with us, and we all got stuck going one way down this, like, dirt off-road road.
Ooh, that's risky business.
So we drove all the way into Mill Creek just to find out that there's no parking down here anymore. So now we are hiking it in, go do a photo shoot, nature change. Should be interesting. Not changing in a porta potty, so I'll tell you that.
How do you feel about it?
I don't mind changing in the wilderness. I'm ready. Or backing up down the road. That was a little difficult.
Yeah, so Lil Model Paige off-roads the Aventador down a gravel, steep bank little road.
The tacos made me do it. Hey Donovan, are you sure that we're allowed to do a photo shoot here? It says no fires. It's gonna be hot.
Hiking with Lil Model Paige. So here we are. Everything from here, okay, this looks good. Your hair looks great.
Thank you.
Athletic wear.
Yeah.
So far so good. You're built to hike.
Yeah.
Until you get here. Now what is this? That's not hiking apparel.
Donovan, they match.
Okay. Okay, I need to watch this. The audience wants to see you hike in these shoes, so.
No, they just want to see my bum. Oh my god, now how do I get off? Like a pro, come on!
What a trooper.
That wasn't the most attractive walk you've ever seen. I don't know what is.
Here we go for the style points. Oh, crossing over. Oh!
We're gonna go change, get in our bikinis.
Guess our change room is over here. The not so glamorous life of Lil Model Paige.
think of Mills Creek?
It was beautiful. I will definitely be going back with some running shoes or my hiking boots. That was a little bit of a challenge. Water wasn't too warm, and I'm kind of a baby when it comes to water. So, but it was beautiful. We got some sick shots. I can't wait for you guys to see them. They're gonna be awesome.
Nice. Where are we heading next?
Next, we're gonna go to my favorite lake. This is the lake that I grew up on. It is called Kalamalka Lake, the lake of many colors. It turns like this beautiful aqua blue, green throughout the year, and it's a beautiful lake. We like to surf on it often too. So yeah, we're gonna show you some driving.
And it's definitely for sure one of the most beautiful lakes in the Okanagan. I'd have to say in the world too, but you can judge that one. So the fun thing about driving around in a Lambo is people's reactions. You must be used to this.
Well, that was something else. Like, I've never experienced that in my life. We just had something really unique happen.
So this mother stopped us and wanted her son to take a picture of her with a beautiful car. Nothing wrong with that. Whips off her dress. He says, "Are you ready?"
And
Oh,
she
don't
was
leave.
not
No.
a young one. Oh, wow.
Oh, she's living her dream though. Hey.
Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. Again, I have to go back to work. I just wanted to thank Sloan Summers for joining me today.
Thank you again for having me.
I have big plans for another one with her, so stay tuned in the future because you're gonna see her again. This won't be the last time. And we hope that you liked it today. And don't forget to tap that subscribe button.